It's Monday, 30th December, and the market is reflecting a cautious sentiment as the benchmarks edge lower. Investors are closely monitoring key economic data and corporate earnings to gauge the direction for the rest of the week. Stay tuned for today's top market insights. The Nifty ended down by 168 points at 23,644, while the Sensex closed lower by 450 points at 78,248. The market breadth leaned negative, with 2,460 stocks declining and only 1,368 advancing. Auto, bank, energy and infrastructure sectors saw declines. On a brighter note, pharma and IT stocks managed to buck the trend. Adani Enterprises, HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, Sun Pharma, and IndusInd Bank led the gains, lending some support to the indices. On the other hand, Hindalco, Bharat Electronics, Trent, Tata Motors and ONGC were the top losers, weighing on the market sentiment. The rupee slipped 4 paise to close at 85.52 against the US dollar, pressured by importer demand, FII outflows, and weak equities. Volatility persisted, with an intraday range of 85.43 to 85.59, as forex reserves dropped $8.478 billion to $644.391 billion, adding to market concerns. SEBI has announced the auction of 23 properties belonging to 9 companies, including Tower Infotech and Wibgear Group of companies, scheduled for February. The move is aimed at recovering funds that were illicitly collected from investors. The sale follows orders from the Calcutta High Court. Bajaj Finserv Mutual Fund has launched the Bajaj Finserv Gilt Fund, now open for subscription. This actively managed fund aims to provide credit risk-free returns by investing in government securities. The NFO is open from 30th December to 13th January, catering to investors seeking secure, medium to long-term growth with an optimal balance of yield and risk. The broader markets showed mixed trends today. The Nifty Midcap 100 edged up by 0.37%, while the Small Cap 100 slipped 0.62%. This divergence highlights selective investor interest, with mid-cap stocks gaining traction even as small caps faced selling pressure. Gold is trading at $2,619, down 0.1%, as markets await key U.S. economic data and Fed policy updates. Investors are focusing on the Fed's December meeting minutes and employment reports, which could shape expectations for future rate cuts. Gold's 27% rise in 2024 has been driven by central bank purchases and rate cuts, while U.S. Treasury yields have dipped as the year ends. Adani Enterprises shares jumped over 7% after the company announced it would fully exit its joint venture with Adani Wilmar. Adani sold a 13% stake to meet public shareholding norms, with the remaining 31% transferred to Wilmar International for over $2 billion. The divestment will support Adani's core infrastructure initiatives. Refex Renewables and Infrastructure's arm, Refex Sustainability Solutions Limited, has acquired a 51% stake in Viazag Bioenergy Fuel. As of 30th December 2024, Viazag Bio becomes a subsidiary of RSSL and a step-down subsidiary of Refex Renewables. The acquisition involved the purchase of 51.03% equity from the existing promoters and a fresh equity infusion into Viazag Bio. Servotech Power Systems saw a 4.99% jump in its share price, reached Rs 169 in Monday's intraday trade. The rise followed the announcement that the company had secured an order for 1,100 grid-connected agriculture pumps under the Kusum Component C1 scheme from the Uttar Pradesh New and Renewable Energy Development Authority. And that wraps up for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest market insights.